I want to be a Notion girly, and Notion Academy just taught me how to connect everything. So here's what 6 databases look like when they finally start talking to each other. This is the lesson where everything that's been sitting in separate databases starts to get to know each other. Notion Academy teaches this as project management for teams, syncing Jira tickets and tracking product launches. We're using those same exact tools to track the things that keep you up at night, or the things that keep your dreams alive. Savings goals, side quests, the ideas you've been meaning to do something with for years, same skills, different stakes. Let's get into it. If you're new, like and subscribe. The full series is in the playlist, and the free Notion Academy lesson tracker is in the description. I want to be a Notion girly because I have too many goals and side quests living rent-free in my head, and they needed to go somewhere. I am a person with a lot of ideas. Most of them are 2 a.m. thoughts that seem very important in the moment, making low-level noise in the back of my brain. So I built a capture inbox. You put a thought in, that's the whole job. Then you process it. Is this an actual goal with a target? Is it a project with a finish line? Or is it just something I need to do? Ideas live in the suite until they need to be a little something more. Goals sit next to projects, milestones live in the side projects, and tasks connect everything at the bottom. Notion calls this project management. I call it getting the inside of my brain to be something I can actually look at. And right now, I'm testing this whole system with something massive. I'm trying to save $200,000 over the next 3 years. Call me crazy, but that store-bought pesto, just kidding. Hi, I'm Jess. Elder millennial, no financial background, no secret trust fund situation coming, just a girl who bought her first home 4 years ago and now wants to sell it and be a renter, but I really have no idea what I'm doing. What I do have is a target, and I'm starting from zero. No, my home sale will not get me $200,000, but a series of actions and behaviors and selling some things that I probably don't need, I think will get me there. First-time home seller, kind of nervous. So naturally, what calms me down when I have no idea what I'm doing and I'm a little nervous is a plan, even a bad one. The act of writing things down makes my brain feel like I have control over the situation. So I put it in the system. The $200,000 goal lives in the goals database. It has a target date and it has contributing projects, the actual things that'll help me get to this number. One of those projects is the home sale. Inside that project are the milestones, the big moments that actually mean something happened. Sold the furniture I didn't want to move, cleaned and decluttered, listed my home, closed. You get the point. And underneath those milestones are the actual tasks. Find a real estate agent, donate, throw things away, do a deep clean, pack, and move. Because everything is connected, checking off those tasks rolls up to update the milestone, which updates the project. And over in the vault, a roll-up pulls from every transaction I log, which means I have an automatic read on where I'm at with our $200,000 goal. I don't have a finance degree or any real estate experience or anything saved yet. I do have a Notion workspace, I have a plan, and a very specific target. That's going to have to be enough. If you're also out here doing scary adult things with no idea what you're doing, same. Drop a comment and let's figure it out. So here's the one concept from this week's lesson that's going to make my whole entire workplace come together. How does my $200,000 goal know that I sold my home? Notion Academy has a line that I absolutely love. The relation is the bridge. The roll-up is what you carry across it. But here's how my brain actually understands it. A relation connects 2 databases. You're introducing them. You're setting them up on a date, and then they have relations. A task now officially knows which project it belongs to. That's the bridge. And a roll-up, well, in this administration, there is no production, so that is the baby. It's the byproduct of that relationship. How many tasks are done? What's my total savings? That's what you carry across. Relations link, roll-ups calculate. Databases get it on. Once I understood that, everything clicked. And it's what actually powers where we are with the resort. So here is what the resort looks like after 6 lessons of Notion Academy. It's not pretty little dashboards yet, but something shifted in this lesson. Before, this was a collection of databases, organized ones, useful ones, but separate. Now they talk to each other. They're related. The $200,000 financial goal knows about the home project. The home sale project knows about the milestones. And the milestones know about their tasks. And in the vault, that number is moving. Building a system around something that's actually happening in my life, as opposed to just a hypothetical one, hits just a little different. I'm going to try to sell my home. I have a savings goal with a very specific number and no idea how I'm going to get there. Well, I kind of have an idea. I have a plan. I have a few other things in progress that I'm not quite ready to share yet. And I have a Notion workspace that knows all about it. Is that a little intense? Probably. Is it the most useful thing I've built? Yeah. So far, I think so. Sure. Yeah. Next week, we're taking Notion Academy's Workflows quiz. That means another study guide and a chance to see how much of this information actually stuck before we start going through the advanced lessons. If you've been following along with the Notion Academy lesson tracker, update it. Lesson 6 is done. Relations, roll-ups, project management. You know what a two-way relation is now. Drop a comment if you're also out there selling a home or saving for something big and have no clue what you're doing. I'm fully supportive, as long as it's legal.